One of the best and one of the easiest surviving technique, like solution, will be farming. I don't know how else we can talk this thing, may it be sound fine. Whether substantial farming or commercial farming, private farming, or higher level farming, professional farming, anyhow wey you wan put am, na im be one of the most important thing wey we fit teach our children, our beloved ones in school. Anything wey we dey do now, make we dey add am for our timetables. Anything wey you wan teach your children, wey you wan advise your people to dey do, make farming be one of them. Since we be Naija, many of us in that country, we fit still get, even if na half plot of land. Even for some people wey live for Lagos, e get one boy, he dey go for Agbara. He go there, he buy 2 plot of land. No be say he buy am, he rent am. There he cultivate am. And the way it was that the last time I spoke with him, he cultivated cassava and all this and pumpkin. And according to him, he made profit out of it. Me and you knows that the country we dey, we be Nigeria, there is nothing to write home at this moment. Not only God will help that country. But before God will do what he need to do, make me and you do what we supposed to do. The kind hunger wey dey load, wey go jam our nation, na only God fit talk am. The only suggestion I get from my own side be say, na motivation we need to do our people. Make we give them the reason to, wey go motivate that person to think about this farming thing wey we dey talk. It is not about becoming a farmer. It is about keeping something for yourself, for your family. That small space near your house, close to your bedroom, close to your fence, do small thing there. And I go beg you wey dey watch this, and may you comment on the comment section. If you have 1 or 2 lines comment that it will be like a solution, a suggestion, idea that I feel they can do more video. We need help. Farming, I personally, I know say it is one of our major solution, but we just don't know how to push it for our people today, because we think say na only fertilizer fit help our land. I overheard one guy saying that even fertilizer dey spoil our land. In other words, our land can motivate themselves. Our land is nutritious. Fertilizer kills some places in our continent. It can't make our farmers come dey lazy. Everybody depend on fertilizer. Yes, it's okay, but our farming, our land get manure originally. I know say e no go dey easy, but there is future in this point why they make. I know say everybody knows say farming or farmers are the future for tomorrow. But how can we be doing it, not just be talking it? Things are happening, especially like my area, people where they live for east. Now everything where we they eat for east, 60% they come from the north. Tomato, all these onions and so on and so forth. I know be say no fit grow at all in our area. So comment on the comment section, give us 1 or 2 tips that so if you work. Even me where they talk, I no get any solid format for this why they talk. Me no say, because for the back of our house we dey cultivate. They get one land where I buy, we never use them, we dey cultivate inside. But if I do, my neighbor go do, might be say we fit make sense small, and it will be nice. Some other followed bush where we get people wey get money invest into farming. There is future there, and not only you fit survive from it, other people will survive. Mr. B, Mr. A, where they live around you. Before you know it, the onions price where we they buy from the north, you can reduce, and it's just to help ourselves. I'm my point. Share this video
so that others will comment and make all of us learn from it. Now solution me day. Thank you for watching and bye.